welcome back to Beat Beauty. It is the week before Coachella and everyone here in LA is getting so excited about it. I can feel the atmosphere in the air. So I wanted to get involved and help you out with your preparations for Coachella by giving you a really easy makeup look that you can do during the festival. So this makeup look is designed not only to be really fun and playful, I did like a really bold gold eye, but also every single product that I've put on my skin here is designed to last. So your makeup look is going to be completely sweat proof. It's going to last throughout the day. You are not going to melt. So it's really, really easy to achieve. I'm going to just walk you through a few simple steps to create the look. Okay, so the first step in this makeup look is to put a primer on. This is going to be so important because it's going to help your makeup to stay all day and it'll also provide a really nice base for the makeup. So I'm going to be using this one by Strivectin. And this is a really great one. It's actually really great if you want to help to fill in any wrinkles. It's called the Anti-Wrinkle BlurFector. But I just really like it anyway because it's got some really beautiful skincare ingredients. And it's really smoothing and it's going to help that makeup really stay on all throughout the day. So just apply that all over the face. It's also going to help to slightly mattify the skin. Okay, so now I've primed my skin, I'm going to apply my foundation. And I've picked a foundation that has SPF in it because I think that is so important if you're at a festival, particularly Coachella. You're in the desert, you're really exposed to the sun, you don't want to come back home with frazzled skin and sunburn and potentially long-term damage to your skin. So you want to pick something with an SPF of at least 30. This Sulwhasoo Cushion Compact has an SPF of 50, and the great thing is you can throw this in your handbag and keep retouching throughout the day if you need a little bit more coverage. So I'm just going to get some of the product out of the cushion and apply it across the face. And you can keep layering it on until you have your desired coverage. Now I'm going to start with the eyes, and they're going to be the real focal point for this festival look. I think we see so many cool looks for the eyes, like metallics, colours, and I wanted to do something really fun and playful today. So the eyes are going to be where I'm really going to focus all this attention. So I'm going to start off with, very importantly, a primer for the eyelids. This is by Nars and it's just their smudge-proof eyeshadow base. And this one's just great for making that eye makeup last. So simply smooth it on to both eyelids and you're ready for your eye makeup. Really simple. I'm also going to take this little opportunity just to curl the lashes because I really want to make the lashes bold. And now for our eye makeup. So I'm doing a really bold gold metallic look on the eyes and I'm going to be using the Mehron metallic powder. Now Mehron have some amazing sort of professional level makeup products. So they're really designed to last. They're great if you're doing a performance or, you know, if you're going to be under lights on set. So this is going to really last throughout your festival day and night as well. And what you want to do with this one, if you want to do the bold look that I'm doing, is mix it with their mixing liquid. And these two together are an amazing combination. It's going to make this really stay, and also it's going to really intensify the pigments in this product. So you want to get a small brush, like this one, and you are going to get a little of the gold product. I should probably mention that you can use this on your body as well, so it would be really fun if you want to do some stencils or something on your body for the festival as well. You can use this anywhere, so this is a really versatile product. So you're going to get a little bit of your mixing liquid, so just dip your brush in, and then you are going to get your gold pigment. Again, just stick the brush in. You can use this on its own as well, but I really like how intense it is with the mixing liquid. It becomes this kind of liquid gold. It's so beautiful. And I'm going to apply the gold all over the lids. And you can experiment with different shapes if you want to do more of a winged shape. I'm going to do a little bit of a wing, bring it up to the socket line and wing it out. I'm sort of using the back of my hand as a little bit of a palette.
Okay, so that is our first coat, that is our first layer of eye makeup. Now I'm gonna add onto it and I'm just gonna shade it in a little bit with some eyeshadow. And I'm gonna use, again, a Mehron product. This is their eye powder palette and it has some really lovely kind of neutral colors that I'm gonna sort of use to blend in this bold gold color. So I'm gonna get the little brush that comes with it. And I'm going to use the black shade along the lash line. And just slightly wing out the eye. You might find that the pigments fall down, but don't worry, we'll clear it up and we haven't done our concealing yet. Okay, that's great. So then I'm gonna take this lighter color, this white, and I'm gonna blend it into the brow bone area. And I'm gonna just put a little bit in the inner corner of the eye. Okay, now I'm going to apply some eyeliner and I'm going to use the Nudestix Bronze Patina Liquid Liner. It's so easy to apply and the bronze is going to really complement the gold colour. And now I'm going to use just a little bit of kohl pencil in the waterline, just to add a little bit of intensity. I don't want to go too bold because obviously you're going to wear this during the day. And now we are ready for a little bit of mascara. So I've already curled my eyelashes and I'm going to use the Brazier Mascara by Mehron just to keep the Mehron thing going. But it's also a really great volumizing mascara. It gives that sort of drama and va-va-voom to the lashes. So I'll just put a couple of coats of that on. And now I'm just going to work a little bit of an eyebrow gel through the eyebrows just to groom them because I want them to stay in place all day. And I'm going to use the Revita Brow Gel just because it's the absolute best in my opinion at keeping the brows in place. They will not budge for the whole day, I promise you. So literally just brush this through. Now I'm just dying to put some concealer on because I'm sure loads of this has fallen down onto my face. So I'm going to just clean that up with some of the amazing concealer, which is my absolute favourite at the moment. It's so good because you only need the tiniest amount for coverage and it's actually waterproof and really long lasting. So again, perfect for festival makeup. So I'll just get that and I'll use a little concealer brush just to apply it in the areas that I need it. So definitely under the eyes, and I think I will also put some around the nose area. It's also a great way of just neatening up your wing shape. If you're not totally satisfied with it, use concealer to perfect. Okay, great, now that's done, I'm going to start working on the cheek area and I want to do a really sort of bronze look. I think a bronze kind of shimmery look is really nice for Coachella, but you don't want to go too overboard with the shimmer. I'm going to just take this Mineral Fusions Luster Bronzer, which has this a matte bronzer and more of a shimmery bronzer. I'm going to use a combination of the two with a big brush and just blend it in an E shape in the face. So up the cheekbones, just to define them a little, and around. I learned this trick a long time ago from a makeup artist friend, but it's the best for just having that really natural sun-kissed look. And I often like to blend into the neck as well. And my face is a bit of a different colour to my body. And the other side. Now I'm going to add in just a little bit of blush and a little bit of extra highlighter, and I'm going to use the Perricone MD product, so it's the No Highlighter highlighter, and the No Blush blush. These work really well together, and they also have SPF in them, so that's great as well. So I'll just put a bit on the back of my hand. I'm a big fan of using my hand as a palette, you may have noticed. And I'll get a bit of this on the back of my hand. And then I'll just get a little bit of the blush and just dab it onto the cheek. I like to put it high on the cheek just for a really sort of nice natural glow. And this is going to really last as well because it's a nice liquid blush, more like a sort of stain. Again, we just want all of this makeup to last and look fabulous for as long as possible. And then I'm going to get my highlighter. I'm just going to apply it onto the top of the cheekbone, blend. And then a little more on the brow bone. We already have that white, and add on. And also the inner corners of the eye. And I might just add a little bit on the Cupid's bow. And now we're ready for our lips. And I'm going to use just a really easy product, which is the Nudestix Gel Colour Lip and Cheek Balm. Again, great to throw in your handbag if you're going to Coachella, because you can use this for touch-ups for both the lips and the cheeks if you just want to add a bit of colour during the day. Plus it feels really moisturising, it's not going to dry out like a lot of lip pencils. So just throw this on, it couldn't be simpler. And that's it, that's the gold Coachella makeup look that I've created for today's tutorial. Just to finish it off, I recommend applying some kind of barrier spray. This one by Mehron, again, is a professional grade, so it's gonna really hold the makeup, make it last no matter how long into the night you're dancing away. So you just wanna spritz it all over the face, make sure you close your eyes really tight and let it just dry for a few seconds. So that's about it. That is my Coachella makeup look for 2018. I hope you've really enjoyed watching and I've maybe inspired you to do a gold look like this one for Coachella this year. If you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel or drop me a little comment below with any comments or questions that you might have. I hope you have an amazing Coachella. Thanks guys.